Welcome. Today, you'll learn the easiest way to save a profile photo from Telegram directly to your phone's gallery. Whether you want to keep a friend's picture or just need to save your own for later, this updated guide will walk you through each step in a simple, clear way. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. This is usually 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to My Profile. You'll find your name and profile picture at the top of the menu. Tap on your profile to open your personal page. Here, you'll see your profile photo displayed prominently. Now, look for the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. This icon opens a menu with several options. Tap on the 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select Save to Gallery. Telegram will immediately save your profile photo to your phone's gallery or Photos app. You don't need any extra tools or third-party apps. Telegram makes it quick and secure to save your images right from the app itself. To confirm the photo has been saved, exit Telegram and open your phone's gallery. You should see the profile picture right there, ready to use or share as you like. Saving a profile photo on Telegram is that easy. Just remember, always respect privacy when saving images, especially if you're downloading someone else's photo. It's best to ask for permission before saving or sharing another person's profile picture. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more tips and tricks to make the most out of your Telegram experience. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly saved photo.